everyone, it's Martha here with you, and I'm here to show you my January 2020 design team package from Country Craft Creations. So it's super cute and love and Valentine themed, so I'm really excited to work with it. The first thing is some red, black, and pink seam binding. It's really cute seam binding there. And then of course some nice medium weight chipboard. I love this chipboard. And then the collection is Be My Valentine by Echo Park. It's so super cute and such a kind of whimsical twist on a traditional Valentine's collection because it is red and pink, but it's really cute. It has these adorable gnomes throughout and this really cute lumberjack. He's holding flowers for the one he loves. And then the cute rocket ship. It's just very eclectic. It has a lot of different things in it. So this is the sticker sheet, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then here is one of the 4x4 cut aparts, and I love 4x4 cut aparts. I totally woof you. You're the apple of my eye. You're totally my jam. Valentine, will you be mine? So cute. Love it. Alright, and then the other side of this is like these kind of borders. So that's one side, and then this is the other side. And then there's these really cute heart arrows. Really super cute. I love that. And then it has this red kind of heart pattern on the other side. And then this is kind of like a border sheet as well. And then on the other side it has these adorable little banners. Really love that. And then here's a 3x4 cut aparts. And see, here's that cute lumberjack. He's so sweet. I love him. You make my heart beat. And it's got the cute headphones. Will you accept this rose? Love. You're a big dill. Like, just very eclectic. You guac my world like you rock my world. Let's grow old together. And then the other side is like this beautiful ombre kind of watercolor from a light, very like white, light pink to a red. Really like that. And then here's these super cute little envelopes. All kinds of different envelopes. And then it has this black heart print on the other side. Very cute. Alright, and this one kind of reminds me of those like sweethearts, or there was sweethearts and sweethearts when I was little. I don't remember which one was the little hearts with the sayings on them. I think it was the sweethearts. But it does have little sayings on it. Really cute, and it's got this adorable pink stripe on the other side. Absolutely love that. And then here's the 4x6 cut aparts. You make me a happy camper, happy love day, talk nerdy to me. Hello Valentine. And then the other side is these beautiful roses. Very pretty. And oh my god, look at this. Oh, I love the black plaid. It's so pretty. Is that the same pattern? Oh, it is different. It is different. Both sides are just gorgeous. So there's a plaid and then like a rose print, and it's just the A and B side of the same paper. And then there's these beautiful there's a black background with all these different hearts. And then there's this side. Really soft kind of tone on tone pink. Very pretty. And then here's like some postage stamps with all kinds of different stuff. You could totally cut these apart if you had the patience. And then there's a black background with some kissy faces on it, and that's the other side. Right, and now there's the 4x6 cut aparts but going the other way. You are my butter half. Oh, come on, that's cute. You're the only bun for me. I'm totally falling for you. You're out of this world. I love you, no matter what. Dear Valentine, I'm totally sweet on you. On the other side is this adorable pink plaid. Alright, and then we've got a black background again with just lots of beautiful words like sweetheart, I'm yours, Valentine, bae, be mine. This is really cute. And it's got this amazing red plaid on the back. Very cute. And then these are the authentic, let me see. They're like the basics, the spectrum paper from Authentique. So there's this like stripe one and then dot one. Really cute. And then there's a black one, and then the other side has the black dot. And then there's a green one, which reads very Christmas to me. And so does this red one, but I guess it's just because it's beside the green. So the green stripe has the dot on the back too. And then the red does as well. So that's the A and B side of it. And then the pink does as well. Very pretty soft pink. So that is the, what was it called? Be My Valentine by Echo Park. So I really, really love this paper. I think what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to make a really nice like card / keepsake box with like a chipboard one, and then we'll make some cards to go in there. Lots of nice Valentine's cards. Because these cut aparts in this collection just like totally scream cards to me. So I'm gonna listen to what it's screaming to me. So stay tuned for that. I'll have it out pretty quick here because we're getting kind of close to the end of January. So stay tuned for that, and thanks so much for joining me today. I want to say hello to all of my new subscribers. I am so excited to have you guys here. I'm planning on doing a lot of projects this year. You know, more personal ones and just more things I want to play around with. So it's going to be a really fun year for my channel. And if you haven't yet and you're just tuning in, please subscribe and give my channel or my video a thumbs up and comment. I always love to hear from you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.